Obviously a banana makes a protein smoothie like nice and creamy and thick and good. Basically. So good. Actually, no. That's the vibe. And then I was like, Alisha, no. A little daring, a little extra. Found each other.
With my woman.
With my woman. Good morning, you guys. I have a new smoothie recipe that has genuinely changed my life and you guys need to freaking try it. Oh my God, 2 seconds. Good morning, everyone. What is up? Happy Sunday. So long story short, the other day I was making my normal, smoothie and I was out of bananas. So for all my shakes, like a banana is literally the main freaking ingredient that goes into it. The way that I always make my shakes is I basically do one like fruit serving and then some almond butter and protein powder, ice and water, and then you can change that up. So it doesn't have to be banana, but like obviously a banana makes a protein smoothie like nice and creamy and thick and good. Basically. You know when you want to try a new recipe or a new entree dish at a restaurant, but you're so scared you're not gonna like it, so you just don't change what you normally do? I feel like that's me with my protein shakes. So instead of a banana, do 3 dates. Now, there's an art to this, okay? They can't be dried out. You have to get them and use them like right away. Like they still have to be very like plump and have like moisture. I don't know how else to like say that. They just like cannot be dried out because then they don't blend as well. I'm disgusting and this is how I do this. But like, it's mine anyway. Take out the seed, obvi. And 3 dates is like a serving size. The fresher the date, the better the shake. Oh, that kind of rhymed. Then instead of chocolate protein powder, I'm using vanilla protein powder. And there is a reason for this, I promise. I'm so much more of a chocolate person. And then you're just gonna do a splash of actual vanilla. Boop. Oh my God, you guys aren't ready. You're not ready. Okay, then you're not gonna believe what this tastes like. Oh my God. So I try it, right? I'm like, okay, it can't be that bad, right? Literally so good. Because the dates are like unbelievably sweet. It's so much sweeter than with the banana. I haven't done this yet, but I feel like it'd be really good. I'm adding the cacao nibs, for a little like chocolate moment. I'm not kidding. I had Ashley and Taryn try this. It literally tastes like vanilla ice cream. And then with the cacao nibs, it tastes like chocolate chips. You know what it tastes like? Did you guys ever make homemade vanilla ice cream? Like in the bucket with the ice and it like turns and stuff? That's what it tastes like. Oh my God, so good. So good. I'm obsessed. Anyways, good morning, guys. Okay, so I actually have, okay, come on lighting. I actually have a lot of editing that I can do right now. I really want to upload my TikTok dupe video this morning, but it's mostly done. I just definitely have 2 hours of work I could do probably. And it's only 10:17 right now, so that's good. Here's to hopefully knocking this out. You guys really need to try that, so good. Currently 10:20. I'm gonna finish this, get some editing done, then I'll make some coffee. Hopefully we can knock this out, yo. No? Okay, almost not. So this is how editing is going. I think I accidentally deleted a huge part to my video. I'm trying to get a backup version for whatever reason. Don't think it's, okay, hold on. Oh, I don't want to have to re-edit it. Okay, wait. We got this, we got this. Eh? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hell yeah, come on. Open, baby, you got this. Yes. Okay. I swear, the biggest thing I've learned from doing YouTube for 10 years is when things like this happen, before it would take me a day to figure out, and now it takes like 2 minutes to figure out because I'm like, okay, the footage is somewhere, I just need to get it. It's in a backup, it's on a hard drive, it's somewhere. Wow, love that for me. We found it, guys. No need to worry. Oh wait, actually, did we find it? Yeah, it's here somewhere. Okay, well, anyways, I think this is a perfect time to take a break and get some coffee. It's currently 11:32, and I can't decide if I want hot or iced coffee. Maybe I'll have hot coffee right now and then I'll have iced later, question mark. Yeah, I think we'll go ahead and do hot now and then I'll have another one later. Dun, 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 dun. It's the best thing ever. Stevia stevia because we all know Alisha loves her stevia. Okay, my hair is like almost dry. You guys, I literally just went on my TikTok and this is like never happened. The TikTok that I posted literally yesterday is already at 937,000. Products I used to hate, but now I'm low-key kind of obsessed with. Dang, like, okay, less than 24 hours. It's crazy. There's so many comments on my page of people being like, oh my God, I forgot about you, or all this kind of stuff. And it's so funny because I feel like at first, anytime I used to see those comments like a few years ago, it used to like low-key make me sad. So I was like, oh my God, I'm old and irrelevant now. But it's crazy because now I kind of not love it, but I don't hate it anymore. It's weird because to me, I'm like, I don't know. Now I see TikTok as a whole different platform of like a different audience. Or if anything, it's, you know, to like remind people that like, hey, I still make YouTube videos. You should watch them. And I actually really love them now, you know? Because obviously people who watched me back when I did like the prank wars or like, I don't know, like from years ago, like it's kind of crazy because there's people that I used to watch that I stopped watching, and now when I find them, I'm like, oh my God, I forgot about you, but I don't mean it in a negative way. But yeah, it's kind of cool reading products I used to hate, but now I'm low-key kind of, oops, hold on. I think it's actually really smart just to get on different platforms because there's truly different audiences. Like there's different people on Twitter, there's different people on Instagram. Like in my head, it's so easy to think that like, oh, all of my followers are the same on every single platform, when it's like not the case at all. And some people, for instance, watch my vlog channel and they don't watch my main channel, or vice versa. Or there's people who follow me on Instagram who probably don't even know that I have a YouTube channel. So I need to get better at kind of letting them, shouting them out for each other. I don't know what I'm trying to say right now, and I don't know if that makes any sense. But anyways, my coffee is definitely ready. That was a nice little break. Whew. So far, I think I'm on track. I mean, minus the deleting footage part. I think I should be able to. I'm supposed to meet up with Rem and Ollie around 2, and it's 11:40. So I think if I work on this for one more solid hour, I should have it done, and then I can go and still have time to get ready and then meet up with them. So we're gonna go to the Melrose Trading Post, which I'm very excited for because I've only been once. And now I'm actually currently in like a shopping, like thrifting type mood. And I feel like you have to be in that type of mood to go to anything like that. So I think we're gonna hang out, maybe get lunch or something. So excited. Very hot. I just burnt my tongue. Love that for me. Okay, cool. I totally forgot that I had a vlog to put up, so I just put that up, and now I'm going to throw some makeup on. I think we're just gonna do it pretty natural today. I wanted to get cute, but I ended up having a lot more editing than I anticipated. Well, I mean, I got somewhat like dressed today, which is, that's cute. I always forget to put sunscreen like on the back of my neck, and I read an article the other day that mentioned that you should do that, and I was like, why do I never think about that? Because I feel like that's where, especially when I have my hair up, I get more sun there, like ears, neck. Boom. Okay, let's do a time lapse because I'm trying to do this really quick. Food just came. Very excited. Love the shoes that we got going on right now. I'm so excited because we ended up changing it to 3 p.m. to meet up, and that's perfect because now I actually have time to eat lunch and upload my video still. It's ready to go. I just need to change the title, do the description and all that extra stuff, and then I'd like to do my hair, but I can also throw that up really quick. We got tender greens. I got salmon, veggies, and a salad. So I'm gonna eat this. Question of the day, what did you have for lunch? Comment below. Okay, here's the fit. I'm heading out right now. It's surprisingly actually pretty freaking cold. I know to most of you it's like negative somewhere, but here it's like 50 something, which is just kind of surprising for LA. It's unbelievably windy, so I ended up putting on this puffer jacket. I hope I'm not too hot, but I stepped outside just now and it's actually pretty cold. So worst case, I can leave it in my car. But I ended up putting my hair up just because I didn't have time to curl it or straighten it. So hopefully that looks cute. And then my shirt is a vintage like Nike shirt. And then my skirt I actually got from Aritzia recently and I love it. I used to wear skirts like this like every single day. And then Air Force Ones with some socks. And I just remembered that I wanted to wear the belt that I got from Urban yesterday, the like silver one. So I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Okay, this might be too much. Actually, no, I don't think it's gonna be too much at all. So cute. If you didn't see my last vlog, I got this from Urban yesterday. So hopefully I can like wear it kind of off, but that's the vibe. Okay, now I'm gonna go. I ended up making, I feel like you guys should be very proud of me. I ended up making another coffee because I didn't finish my other one, and I was thinking, oh, I can just go get one while I'm out and about, and then I was like, Alisha, no. You're gonna save $5. It's already 3:30. Like, you don't want coffee when it's 6 p.m. So make it at home. During the week, I usually just do iced black coffee, but sometimes on the weekend, you know, I'm feeling a little daring, a little extra, a little spontaneous, a little wild, and you know, I'll throw in a splash of oat milk. The weather is so freaking weird. It's either gonna rain any second or it's gonna stay sunny. Like the sun is out, but it keeps peaking. Oh, freaking car. I almost cussed right there, sorry. I'm trying to get better. This car is like blocking the entire lane. So, I'm kidding. I'm really not, it's not that bad. Like I mentioned earlier, going to the trading post, I think it's open till 5, which I really hope so because it's currently 3:30 and I'm actually like in a shopping mood. This lighting is rough. Hello, my love.
Hello.
I'm with Ollie. We have finally found each other.
With my woman.
With my woman. Oh my god, wait, this is so cute.
That's kind of sick.
I love this. Okay, wait, that's so cute.
That is cute.
Oh my god. We've made it to the Grove now. It is quite a bit later. Full of food. We had a wood ranch.
Getting all the content.
Getting all the goods. Also went into Aloe and got a few things. I didn't go crazy. No, you went off. I was like, I didn't go crazy. You're like, you went off. Got, I think like 3 things, but they're really freaking cute. Maybe 4 things.
We need a haul.
Also freezing, and I'm very glad that I ended up wearing this jacket today because it is so cold. And here I am with iced water, so that makes sense. Here's me getting some B-roll to give you guys more content, baby content. And yeah, get in the B-roll. That's what we're doing. Ooh, Jonas Brothers. Look at this little nugget. Hi. Oh my god. It's a wild party over here. So, obviously we're back home and I think it's like 10 something now. Honestly, I had a little bit of, can't talk. Clearly got ready for bed and I was gonna read for a little bit. I'm actually reading a million different books. I feel like I always pick up different ones and then just forget to finish it and whatever, but this is To Hell with the Hustle. I actually got this months ago and I kind of forgot about it. I'm almost done. So for the past few nights, I've just kind of been reading a little bit, almost done. For the past week, I've just been reading like a small chapter before bed and it's been really nice and I really like it. So gonna do that. And I was also reading some comments on both today's vlog and new main channel video, the TikTok one, and it just made me smile because seriously it meant so much. I saw a few people being like, Alisha's on her YouTube game and saying how that they're just loving the content and that like meant so much. And then I also met a lot of you guys today too and then that meant so much too. And like, I don't know, it's so weird. I feel like there's definitely times where I get like frustrated, overwhelmed, or I'll be really discouraged with YouTube sometimes. I definitely was feeling that way a few weeks ago and it's just crazy like looking at everything today and stuff. Ashley's listening to a movie. I don't know if you can hear it. Thank you guys so much just for all the comments and all the support and love and everything. It literally means so much. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here because I didn't end yesterday's vlog properly. So gonna end it here. Gonna read for a little bit and I will talk to you guys really soon. Okay, bye.